Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $2.2740. Okay, and chances are very high that suppose if it form a swing and started going upside, we can see there will be a further upside movement. Okay, but if it's starting to go at a level of $2.0631, we can see it can bounce back, which has already moved towards this level and bounced back, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, now from 3 days it is trying to go higher, as I've already explained you that the dollar index trying to go upside, along with we have seen the natural gas price is also moving upside. It has already formed a swing at this level, so you have to keep it in mind. If it started going below a level of $2.12, then we can see there will be a fall which can move this below $2. Okay, and once started moving below $2, we will see it will move in this particular zone. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, 2-3 things that you have to note. If you're new, if you're checking my previous videos, then you don't have to watch it, you can skip for around 10 seconds, but you have to understand at this level I have told you to buy, okay, till a high from 3.2. after that there is a continuous downfall. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, so before I move ahead and explain you, before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, the dollar index, what we have seen, dollar index is trying to go higher. Okay, it has from previous 2 days it is on the upside, but for today we have seen it is trying to move in this particular zone. So if the price sustain this level, which it will go above this level and move above a level of $104.4, and yes, it can go above a level of 104.6, which is already being a weak resistance. So chances are high it will cross that level, and from there it will move towards 105. Suppose if the price moving above that particular level, we will see it will go towards $105.5. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside towards 105.8. Why I'm telling you all these resistance, because if the price of dollar started going upside, we can see the natural gas price will come down. But from 2 days we have seen the natural gas price is also moving upside, as well as the dollar index. So in such situation you have to put your SL, okay, to save your capital. And once you start in profit, always try to trail your profit. These 2 things you have to do. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't go above a level of 105, or it moves again below a level of 104. So what we can see, suppose if the price started falling below this level, it can move below this particular level, and chances are high it will go below a level of $103.6. And yes, it can go and touch a level of 103 also. So you have to keep it in mind. As soon as the price started going below down, we can see the natural gas price will come up. Okay, but if the natural gas price moving along with it, so you have to put your SL. Okay, you have to put your SL whether it is moving in your direction or opposite, so that your capital can be saved. Because see, market is always uncertain, so you have to, in order to reduce the uncertainty, always try to put the SL. Now let's see if the price sustain this level. See, you have to understand, see 15 minutes chart if you are intraday trader, so you have to understand overall trend is upside for the price of natural gas, continuously upside. Most of what you can do is that whenever there is a range breakout happens, there can be a buy situation, as well as there can be a sell situation if the price fall downside. Coming back on again on a day wise chart, you will understand how the price can go in the next 2 days. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go again and move above a level of $2.34, which is already being a weak resistance. After that it can touch a level of 2.45, which is also being a weak resistance. After that, a probability of going towards 2.59 will be there. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of $2.77. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards $2.85. Okay, now if the price moving above that particular level, we can see it will go towards $3.0569, and from there it will go towards 3.14. Okay, and if that price moving above this particular level, a further upside movement we can see. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards 2.216. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards $2.1593. If the price moving below that particular zone, chances of going towards 2.0493. Okay, and because as soon as the price started going below this level, it will move in this zone. So you have to understand it will come towards $1.98, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall towards 1.87 we can see. Okay, keeping that in mind, that once the price started falling $1.87, a probability of touching 1.73 we can see, and from there a probability of touching 1.67. Okay, as soon as the price started moving out of the zone, then a probability of going towards a level of 1.6, and then further we can see. If the price started falling below $2, I'll make another video explaining you where it will go. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,